Medulla. Brainstem controls survival functions, breathing, heart rate, blood pressure, vomiting, blinking. Pons. Brainstem helps put you to sleep by producing chemicals to maintain your sleeping cycle, respiratory. Pons. Reticular formation. Brainstem helps wake you up using neurons networking together to alert higher parts of the brain what to pay attention to, controls pain. Thalamus. Midbrain, all sensory info except smell, sends info to brain, consciousness. Cerebellum. Midbrain, balance, coordination, movement, procedural memories. Hippocampus. Limbic system, convert short-term to long-term, spatial reasoning. Amygdala. Limbic system, emotion, movements for survival, fear, fight, flight, learning and reward processing. Hypothalamus. Limbic system, links nervous system and endocrine system, sex, hunger, thirst drives, body temp, hormones, pituitary gland, reward centers. Cerebrum. Cerebral cortex, glial/glue cells, frontal, parietal, occipital, temporal lobes. Frontal lobe. Top front area of brain, speaking, motor movements, personality, emotions, planning, judgments. Primary motor cortex. Frontal lobe, motor movements, specific areas equal moving specific body parts. Broca's area. Frontal lobe, connected to Wernicke's through bundles of fiber, control/loss of speech, Broca's aphasia. Orbitofrontal cortex. Frontal lobe, side of frontal lobotomies, desired effects, less rage, less aggression, bad emotional responses. Olfactory bulb. Temporal lobes, smell. Parietal lobe. Middle top area of brain, touch, body position. Primary sensory cortex. Parietal lobe, processing of tactile info. Somatosensory cortex. Parietal lobe, where your body is and how it is moving, draws upon stored memories of past experiences. Primary gustatory cortex. Parietal lobe, taste. Occipital lobe. Bottom right of brain, areas receive info from visual fields. Primary visual cortex. Occipital lobe, right area/bottom of occipital lobe, sight, recognition of size/color/light/motion/dimensions, encodes color, orientation and motion. Damage equal hallucination/blindness. Visual association cortex. Occipital lobe, interprets info from primary visual cortex, processing/recognizing/memory of visual stimuli. Temporal lobe. Front bottom area of brain, auditory areas, receiving info from each ear. Primary auditory cortex. Temporal lobe, hearing. Primary olfactory cortex. Temporal lobe, interprets sense of smell once, reaches cortex through olfactory bulbs. Wernicke's area. Temporal lobe, diamond-shaped area near the end of the temporal lobes, processing/understanding speech, damage equal hard to understand language. Left hemisphere. Right side motor control, language, speech, logical thinking, organization. Right hemisphere. Left side motor control, drawing/recognition, creativity, emotional interpretation. Spinal cord. Communication pathway, transmits signals from brain to the rest of the body, reflexes. Corpus callosum. Large C around thalamus, nerve fibers that connect the two hemispheres, allows messages to move to one hemisphere and the other. Pituitary gland. Very tiny ball near thalamus, regulates growth, controls/stimulates hormonal glands.